Welcome back, everyone. Here's a real quick video on making 3D letters. This is an awesome technique, so stick around until the end. It won't take long. I'll start by typing the word granite in a nice fat font like Impact. I've already set it up to be a nice shade of grey. Then, I'll duplicate the layer by right-clicking and selecting Duplicate. Next, I'll go to the Stock panel to the right of the Layers panel, and I'll search for an image of solid granite. This one here should do. Going back to the Layers panel, I'll drop the solid granite onto the top layer that says Granite. This will embed the granite into the word. Then, I'll go to the FX button at the bottom of the Layers panel and click on the checkbox for 3D. I'll play around with the sliders a bit till it looks good to me. Make sure to click on the top layer before you do this. Now, let's click off the top layer and select the bottom layer. We will apply the same 3D effect on this layer. You can click the top layer back on so you can see it, but make sure to reselect the bottom layer. Then, click the Enter key. It will bring up this Move Duplicate box. Type in 1 for the horizontal value, 1 for the vertical value. Put a check in the duplicate box, and change the insertion mode to Insert New Item Behind. Then, move the number of copies slider to the right until you get your desired 3D effect. The cool part about this method is that it carries the 3D shading on each layer, which creates a more realistic depth of field. Well, that's it for today. Short but sweet. Please don't forget to hit those like and/or subscribe buttons. It makes me happy to know you care.